Hey guys, are you want to buy best coaxial cable to HDMI adapter? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best coaxial cable to HDMI adapter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at BD&M AV to HDMI Converter easily. Bring your old devices back to life with this RCA to HDMI Converter adapter. It converts classic RCA composite input, yellow, red, white to crisp HDMI output in 720p 108op 60 Hz, making it perfect for enjoying vintage content on modern TVs and monitors. With plug-and-play simplicity, no drivers are needed, just connect the included USB power cable and you're set in minutes. Featuring a high-quality chip, it offers stable 24/7 performance with low heat and accurate signal processing for vivid colors and sharp details. This adapter is widely compatible with devices like VCRs, DVD players, PS2/3, Wii, N64, and even Apple TV or Roku when using legacy hardware. Note, it only converts RCA to HDMI, not the reverse. Package includes the converter, USB cable, and user manual. Just bring your own power adapter. Now our second product is Portta AV to HDMI Converter. You'll revive your classic devices with this RCA to HDMI converter, designed to convert analog RCA yellow, white, red signals into clear HDMI output, perfect for modern TVs and monitors, supporting up to 108op 60 Hz resolution. It delivers vibrant colors and sharp details with advanced signal processing. Simply plug and play, no drivers needed. This AV to HDMI adapter is compatible with various input formats, including PAL and TSC, and SOCAM, making it ideal for retro consoles like PS2, PS3, Wii, N64, as well as VHS players, DVD players, and more. Note, this converter works one way only, RCA to HDMI. The package includes the converter, USB power cable, and user manual, backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime tech support. Whether you're gaming, watching old tapes, or preserving memories, this device makes your nostalgia HDMI-ready. Our third product is Orei AV to HDMI Converter. Converter extend your HDMI signal with ease using this HDMI extender, capable of transmitting 4K at 30G up to 130 feet and 1080p, up to 230 feet over a single Cat 6/7 LAN cable. Thanks to Power over Cable PoC technology, only one power adapter at the TX end is needed, making setup incredibly simple and clutter-free. The local loop out lets you connect a second display at the source end, perfect for monitoring or dual display setups. With support for EDID management and multiple resolutions up to 4K, you'll enjoy crisp visuals with minimal quality loss using shielded cables. It's ideal for home theaters, offices, classrooms, digital signage, and more. The package includes everything you need: transmitter, receiver, power adapter, IR cables, and manual plus a 1-year warranty. Just plug and play for seamless HDMI extension wherever you need it. Now, number 4. Winter RCA to HDMI Converter. Vive your classic media devices with this RCA to HDMI converter, which seamlessly transforms analog RCA AV yellow, white, red input into crisp HDMI output at 720p 108op 60 Hz. It's the perfect solution for enjoying VHS tapes, retro consoles like PS2, Wii, N64, and more on modern HD TVs or monitors. With advanced signal processing, it delivers enhanced color accuracy and detail. No drivers required, just plug and play, but be sure to connect the included USB power cable to a 5 volts adapter. Compatible with all major video formats, including PAL, NTSC, SUCAM. This adapter supports a wide range of legacy devices. The package includes everything you need: RCA cable, HDMI cable, micro USB cable, and a user manual. Backed by an 8-year warranty and responsive customer service. It's a reliable way to relive your favorite old-school content. And our last choice is Dcolor RCA 2 HDMI Converter. See free access to local TV channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, and PBS with this compact digital TV converter stick, designed to plug discreetly into any HDMI-equipped TV, monitor, or projector. It supports resolutions up to 1080p for crisp, clear viewing, easily powered by your TV's USB port. This stick is compatible with most modern display smart TVs, LED, projectors, and even older tube TVs with an HDMI to RCA adapter sold separately. The built-in DVR recorder lets you record your favorite shows to a USB drive with a timer function so you never miss a broadcast. An EPG guide offers easy navigation of upcoming programming. And the included Universal Learning Remote lets you control both your TV and converter with one device. Backed by a 1-year warranty and 7-day return policy, it's a simple, reliable way to upgrade your TV experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.